Welcome to another quick draw on Monkey Doodle, friends. I'm Mr. L. We're going to do a cute bird today. Let's go. We're going to make a nice oval up here for our birdie's head. All right. You can even do a couple little hair things sticking up. We're going to give our friend two nice ovals for eyes. One there and one here. And our friend is looking this way. Put a little highlight circle in there, make it dark. All right, and if you like what we do on Monkey Doodle, friends, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe button. Help us grow. Tell your friends. Awesome, there's Birdie's eyes and his face. Let's make a nice triangle-shaped beak with a little curve at the top. Okay, and you can put two dots for nostrils. Cute. All right, Birdie's body is going to be a nice oval, coming down and back up. Then we're going to make some nice curves on the outside for Birdie's wings. And it touches the body, see that? All right, and one more line inside of that. One here, and it meets up with the body as well. That's Birdie's wings, awesome. We're going to make two legs. Two little lines that come down from there and then out. 1, 2, 3, back to the body. We'll do another one right here. Another line right next to it. Curve out. 1, 2, 3, claws back to the birdie's body. And we're going to do a branch that goes through it. So we're going to make a bumpy line here. Comes out and goes up and hits the side of your paper. Come back in. Maybe the branch splits, come back in and hit Birdie's claw, go through each claw, keep going through here, keep that line going, and keep going until the other side of the paper. So it's a bumpy kind of line, which is fine because branches are bumpy. All right, Birdie's almost done. Let's do a tail. The tail's going to come down from here, hit the branch, and go right through it. Cut down and over. Then we're going to go up, hit the branch, and keep the line going till about there. So it looks like it's behind the branch. Two lines to make it look more like feathers. Okay. And this one goes behind the leg so we don't see that. All right, Birdie's looking cute. Let's get ready to quick draw. In color, hyperspace color this thing. Woo!